YouTube, what it do tube? Down on News TV. I am your host, Dre. It's always a pleasure when I get to do a reaction video to Judge Joe Brown. He's a legend in my books, whatever that you want to take that for or as. But I've done some articles on Fani Lewis and her lawyer boyfriend pursuing criminal cases against the former president. And if you haven't seen the articles I went over, go check out my page. But right here we got Mr. Judge Joe Brown and the real Dana talking about the situation. And I'm pretty sure I'll learn a little bit more by watching this. But let's check it out.
Annie.
That was some exciting, expensive dick that woman bought herself, wasn't it?
You went right there. Wait a minute. Oh, here we go. Judge in Trump Georgia case orders hearing on Fani Willis misconduct accusations. Former Trump campaign official Mike Roman's motion alleging an improper relationship between Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis and lead prosecutor Nathan Wade will be heard in court on February 15th, day after Valentine's Day.
Now, look at this. You and I talked about this the other day. He's gotten paid how much? $650,000 or $695,000 for one case. How much does Fani get as the district attorney for Fulton County, Georgia? What was it? 120,000?
Yeah, 140.
140,000. Typical person in there gets somewhere around 90,000 a year that works as a district attorney or something like that. How much does the president of the United States get? 420,000 a year. How much does the district attorney or the attorney general for the United States get? 380,000 a year for handling all of the legal business of the United States. And Georgia is paying this person the obscene amount of at least $650,000 for one case. Mm-hmm. And she got him the job. She is supposed to be somebody that stepped aside because of her bias, and she is supposed to be replaced by a, quote, special prosecutor who has no horse in the race and is supposed to be neutral and detached, but he's sleeping with her. And she engineered money that he gets from the people of the state that the two of them have been allegedly vacationing and partying off of. That is just obscene, and that gives classically, even if there was no wrong and bias involved, it gives, quote, the appearance of impropriety, unquote. And under everybody's ethical codes, the appearance of impropriety is to be avoided as studiously as actual things that are improper, so that the public does not lose confidence in the institution. And this certainly is inexcusable. And in that speech she gave to the church, where she's entitled to make a mistake, has she considered that when she deals with her responsibilities as prosecutor? No. Has she considered that when it came to evil Baba Yaga, Donald Trump, that she's after? No. So why should we cut her any slack? Plus, it's an ethical problem, and somebody ought to turn her into the Georgia bar. Now, I can't get too harsh on the lady, because I know her father quite well. Went to school with him.
Yeah, but it's not about being harsh. I think the question is, is it possible that that Trump case could be thrown out because of this?
No, I don't think the Trump case could be thrown out.
But she
just
could be replaced.
because of that. But it may set up a situation where somebody on an appellate level or the next prosecutor may come in and say, in the interest of justice, all things considered, from the pleadings, from the apparent evidence, and from the record as a whole, this matter should be dismissed. Now, I downloaded the 92-page indictment. Some of the counts alleged the felonious wrong against what? Directing followers to read or look at Newsmax. And, we get this from Johnson. We always look at Newsmax and exchange it and check it out because it's an alternative sense that this is a news report source. So, in other words, looking at a legitimate news source becomes a felonious activity, or to tell somebody to look at it. I mean, I read the indictment and I said, you know what? I haven't seen one filed in a long, long time, but this is what you call a case for a demurrer. Demurrer. And a demurrer at law is, even if everything alleged is proven absolutely, so what? It's not a crime or it's not a wrong. So that is morphed into what they call a motion on the pleadings, which is everything included, even if, so what? Kick the case, because even if they prove it, there's no wrong done or nothing actionable. But this is criminal. So if they do that, somebody can pick it up in the future because jeopardy has not yet attached. And that is a problem. So you have New York, you have Florida, and you've got Georgia, where people have interceded trying to keep Donald Trump from doing what he's doing. And he looks like he's going to be the next president of the United States. And you saw him banned from the ballot, primary ballot in Colorado. He got put back on. In Maine, he got taken off. But guess who else got taken off of the primary ballot?
Who?
Sent you the article today.
I didn't get it. I didn't read it. Vivek?
No. Got taken off of the New Hampshire primary ballot. Yes, who?
Who? Because I really don't care, because I want to move on because I'm tired.
It's funny. Joe Biden.
Oh. That is funny.
So
that's right, because they said they were going to do that. They said they were going to do that.
Hey, wait a minute. It was the Democratic Party that got it snatched off the ballot.
Really? Oh.
Yeah.
You get on my nerves.
We should have had one of my best lines on that. Okay. Hold on.
His own people took him off the ballot?
Yeah. Okay.
Did they replace him with anybody?
No. The Democratic Party, I put, goes transsexual on the ballot. Biden kept off a New Hampshire primary ballot by own party. Conflict between Joe Biden and New Hampshire Democrats leaves them rejecting their party head and going trans GOP.
Oh my God.
This mess is getting ridiculous. See, once you open the floodgates, you get copycat stuff.
It's a damn circus.
Yes, you get SOS. Stuck on stupid.
Stuck on stupid. What was the other one?
Stuck on stupid and same old shit.
Yeah. All right. Quickly.
I thought that was funny.
No, it was very funny. Very funny.
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot of shenanigans going on in Georgia. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the situation. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Down on News TV, I'm Dre Day. And leave a comment. And yeah, y'all have a good